Hello guys, today I would like to do an unbox of the Xiaomi new shoes, but this one is not the smart version. Okay, the box is same with the first generation, a very simple package. This is the specification. Okay, let's open the box. This is their manufacturer. It's a Chinese word. Okay, this is a blue color. It's more heavy than the first generation. I think because their sole is more better. You can see their sole. Let's see their insole. So you can see it don't have the smart chip port. It don't have smart chip over. Okay, here. This shoes sole is more better than the first generation. You can see the sole has 5 layers. The first layer is a rubber, and the second layer is a EVA middle sole. The third is a TPU layer, and the fourth is EVA layer. And the fifth is the PU support layer. Okay, the concave and the convex texture of the outlay increase the force of the friction and keep you safe on the slippery road. Here has the Mijia logo. This is a Xiaomi logo, and here has the reflection design, keep you safe in your dark place. And these shoes can be washable. You can put it into the washing machine to wash it. But I think the glue is not doing very well. You can see the glue is not doing very better of the glue. Okay, this is a unbox of the Xiaomi new shoes. I think the design is better than the first one. Okay, thanks for your watching. See you next time.